Some gadgets get banned for legitimate safety reasons, while others get restricted because they threaten established industries or regulatory frameworks which cannot keep up with innovation. Let me show you 11 banned gadgets you can surprisingly still buy on Amazon in 2026. Number 11. Signal Jammer Detector. This device detects active signal jammers nearby, alerting you when someone is blocking cellular Wi-Fi or GPS signals in your vicinity. Signal jammers are illegal in most countries because they interfere with emergency communications. But detecting jammers is perfectly legal, creating a loophole. The device scans frequency ranges, identifying suspicious interference patterns characteristic of jamming equipment. The alert system vibrates and lights up when jammers are detected. The directional antenna helps locate the jamming source. This has legitimate uses for security professionals investigating suspicious signal interference. The device also detects hidden cameras and listening devices using similar radio frequency analysis. Number 10. Lockpicking Practice Kit. These comprehensive lockpicking sets are banned in many states if carried outside your home, but remain legal to own for educational purposes and practicing on your own locks. The kits include tension wrenches, PIX rakes, and practice locks with progressive difficulty levels. The transparent practice locks let you see internal mechanisms, understanding how picking actually works. The skill-building progression starts with simple locks and advances to complex security pins and sidebar mechanisms. Lockpicking knowledge helps understand security vulnerabilities in your own property. The educational value is legitimate teaching mechanical reasoning and problem-solving skills. However, carrying these tools in public is illegal in many jurisdictions, falling under burglary tool laws. The sets include instructional materials explaining techniques legally and ethically. Number 9. Ultrasonic Pest Deterrent Bracelet. This wearable device emits ultrasonic frequencies that repel mosquitoes and other insects, and faced bans in several countries after studies questioned effectiveness claims. The bracelet generates high-frequency sound waves, supposedly uncomfortable for insects but inaudible to humans. Multiple regulatory agencies challenged marketing claims, saying evidence does not support effectiveness assertions. Some countries banned sales, calling the devices fraudulent. However, they remain available on Amazon with modified marketing language avoiding specific efficacy claims. The devices do emit ultrasonic frequencies measurable with proper equipment. Whether those frequencies actually repel insects is hotly debated. Some users report positive results, while controlled studies show minimal effect. The controversy centers on marketing, not safety, since ultrasonic sound at these levels is harmless. The waterproof design allows outdoor use during activities. The rechargeable battery lasts days between charges. The adjustable band fits wrists or ankles. Number 8. High-powered laser pointer. These laser pointers exceed power limits set by aviation authorities because they can illuminate aircraft from ground level, creating dangerous distractions for pilots. Regulations typically limit consumer lasers to 5 milliwatts, but these devices output 500 milliwatts or more. The beam visibility is incredible, reaching miles into the sky. Astronomy enthusiasts use them for star pointing during group observations. The power creates genuine hazards, including eye damage and aircraft interference. Many countries banned sales, but enforcement is difficult with international shipping. Amazon restricts listings, but sellers use creative descriptions avoiding flagged keywords. Number 7. Faraday bag for phones. These signal-blocking bags prevent all wireless communication to and from devices placed inside and faced regulatory scrutiny because they can facilitate criminal activity by blocking tracking. The bags use conductive fabric, creating Faraday cages that block cellular Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS signals completely. Law enforcement expressed concerns about criminals using them to prevent phone tracking. Some jurisdictions attempted restricting sales, but the devices have legitimate privacy uses. The bags protect against remote hacking and unwanted tracking. They prevent ex-partners or stalkers from monitoring location. Security professionals use them protecting sensitive devices during transport. The effectiveness is verifiable by placing phones inside and attempting calls which fail completely. The bags come in various sizes for phones, tablets, and laptops. Number 6. DNA Testing Kit for Paternity. These home DNA tests faced attempted bans in several countries and some US states because results can have serious legal and emotional consequences without professional counseling. The kits allow discreet paternity testing using cheek swabs sent to laboratories for analysis. Some jurisdictions require counseling before DNA testing, arguing results impact child welfare and family relationships. The controversy centers on whether individuals have rights to genetic information or if government should control access, protecting potential negative outcomes. The tests are highly accurate, using the same technology as court-ordered testing. The results typically arrive within weeks, showing probability of biological relationships. The privacy implications are significant, as genetic data reveals sensitive health information beyond just paternity. Number 5. EMP Protection Device for Vehicles. These electromagnetic pulse protection systems claim to shield vehicle electronics from EMP attacks or solar flares, and face skepticism from regulatory agencies questioning effectiveness. The devices install in vehicles, supposedly creating protective fields around sensitive electronics. Multiple agencies challenged marketing claims, saying most vehicles already have sufficient shielding. Some countries restricted sales, calling the devices ineffective and misleading. The controversy involves whether EMP threats are realistic for civilian vehicles and whether these devices provide actual protection. The products use Faraday cage principles with conductive materials surrounding electronics. Whether implementation actually works as advertised is debated. Military vehicles use EMP hardening, but consumer devices may not achieve similar protection. Number 4. Wireless charging road strips. These aftermarket wireless charging strips install on roads or driveways, creating charging lanes for electric vehicles, but faced municipal bans over installation and safety concerns. The strips generate electromagnetic fields that transfer power to compatible vehicles driving over them. The technology works similar to wireless phone charging, scaled up dramatically. Multiple cities banned installation on public roads, citing safety regulations and electromagnetic interference concerns. Private property installation remains legal in most areas. The controversy involves whether electromagnetic fields at this power level pose health risks. Studies show conflicting results, with some suggesting concerns, while others find no evidence of harm. The strips require professional electrical installation connecting to home power systems. Number 3. Anti-5G radiation sticker. These stickers claim to block or harmonize 5G radiation, and faced regulatory action from multiple countries for making unsubstantiated health claims. The products attached to phones supposedly protecting users from electromagnetic radiation. Regulatory agencies tested the stickers, finding no measurable effect on radiation levels. Several countries banned sales, calling marketing claims fraudulent. The scientific consensus shows no evidence that 5G poses health risks at approved power levels, making protection unnecessary. However, public concern about wireless radiation creates market demand. The stickers contain various materials, including metals, crystals, and quantum energy patterns, according to marketing claims. Independent testing shows they do not reduce phone radiation measurably. Number 2. Satellite GPS Spoofer. These devices transmit false GPS signals, overriding actual satellite data, and are illegal almost everywhere because they can misdirect navigation systems dangerously. The spoofers generate fake GPS coordinates, making receivers display incorrect locations. Legitimate uses include testing navigation systems and security research. Criminal uses include theft by misdirecting tracking systems and spoofing rideshare locations. Aviation authorities particularly concerned because spoofing can affect aircraft navigation. The devices are small and battery-powered, operating covertly. The range varies from meters to kilometers depending on power. Detection is possible but requires specialized equipment. Number 1. AI-powered facial recognition glasses. These smart glasses use artificial intelligence to identify people in crowds by comparing faces against databases, and face the most comprehensive bans of any consumer technology in 2026. The glasses capture faces continuously running real-time recognition algorithms. The technology can identify individuals in public spaces, accessing social media profiles, and personal information without consent. Multiple countries and several US states banned the devices, citing privacy violations and surveillance concerns. The glasses connect to facial recognition databases, some legitimate and others scraped from social media. Civil rights organizations called the technology dystopian, enabling mass surveillance. The accuracy varies with lighting conditions and database quality. False positives create risks of misidentification. Law enforcement expressed concerns about stalking harassment and discrimination potential.